Need for GST. These are various taxes that have paid on the every stages at a differently collected state and central government rates differ from one state to another. GST will unify the whole nation and the tax will be divided among the central and the state government will be and make easier to provide service and goods across the country as more additional state will be imposed. Why India? There is need of GST. Imposing several taxes on goods and service can lead to high cost of insufficient tax structure in which may be subject to avoidance of tax. The need of GST of Indian taxation system, which added the value of each state and will set of the both rates both states at a central level. Introduction of GST will increase the efficiency of taxation to improve the economic growth, and it will bring whole nation from to nation one market. Following are some of the points can easily explain the need of GST. Tax structure will be simplified simplified will be simple. At present at present there are huge number there are huge number of consumers have to pay with GST in single tax payment, which is much easier to understand and pay for business. Accounting complexity will reduce and will result in the less paperwork, which will save both time and money. Tax revenue will increase. Simple tax structure will bring more taxpayers under the pursuit of taxation, and in the return it will increase revenue of government. Competitive pricing. GST will eliminate all other indirect taxes, and this will effectively reduce the amount paid by customer. Boost to exporters. If Indian market will be competitive in price, then more and more foreigner players will try to enter the market, which will result in more number of exporters and the benefits in the Indian market. Tax cascading effect. GST will take always the cascading effect of various tax that are charged on sales, production, purchase. Product reaches to the customer at a very high rate as compared to manufacturing. So with GST there will be only one tax and will reduce the burden of tax. Power of tax. GST constitutional provision. The assignment of concurrent jurisdiction to the center and the state of levying of GST required a unique institutional mechanism to ensure that decisions about the structure, design, operation of GST take jointly by the two. For it to be effective, such mechanism also needed to constitutional force. The goods and service tax is comprehensive tax levying on the structure as a consumption of goods service at a national. The 101 Constitution Amendment Act 2016 was passed by the Parliament, paving the way of government to reconstruct presently distributed indirectly law regime into undefined tax structure through a Good Service Tax Act in 2000, April 2017. The President gave assentment to the 4 Bill of GST, Central GST Act 2017, the Union Territory GST Act 2017, the Integrated GST Act 2017, and the GST Comprehension to the State Act 2017. Since GST involved huge financial interest for the center and the government and the distribution to revenue between them, such as historical tax reform, new suitable changes to the Constitution, the 101 Constitution Amendment, along with the 4 GST bills affect to the necessary amendment of the Constitution. तो बाय गाइस, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.